Every microscope is different, but most have these features. The base is the bottom part of the microscope, while the arm is the tall part that's being grabbed right now. When you use it, you'll put your eyes up to the ocular lens. You can see this here. This is naturally what you want to put your eyes up to. The objective lens is what goes over the slide, and each one of these objectives has a different magnification. And to choose which objective is over the slide, you'll use the revolving nose piece, which rotates the objectives around. The stage is what you will put the slide on. To move the stage up and down, you'll use the coarse adjustment knob. Or, if you want to move it up and down slower, you'll use the fine adjustment knob, which will usually be by the coarse adjustment knob. The translational control knobs will move the mechanical stage around, moving the slide horizontally. So the mechanical stage is the black and silver part that is moving here. And these translational control knobs are used to move the slide horizontally. The illuminator is the light at the bottom of the microscope, while the light adjustment dial controls the brightness of the illuminator. The diaphragm controls how much light enters the slide.